and welcome to another episode of Bear Talk. My name is Mariana, your host and social networking analyst at Bexar County. So today we have Mr. Albert Uresti. He's the Bexar County Tax Assessor Collector. Hello, welcome to Bear Talk.
Thank you for having me today, Mariana. I'm very excited to be here. And of course, I'm more excited and honored to be serving the citizens of Bexar County.
Well, thank you so much. And before we get into our questions, is there anything you want to share about your office?
Well, I'd like to first share our mission statement. Our mission statement is to help keep families in their homes. We work very hard at that. It's something that we take to heart, and it's something that all our staff has been indoctrinated into, and something that they know that is a very high priority for us. For the first time in Bexar County history, we're collecting for every taxing jurisdiction in the county. We now collect for 59 taxing jurisdictions here in Bexar County. So we're very excited about some of those things that we're doing. Of course, we've improved all the your visit to our office. We have chairs now. We have a queuing number system where they call your number depending on your transaction. So we've made many improvements, and we continue to work for our citizens every single day.
And it's all to serve the Bexar County residents.
Exactly.
Thank you for your hard work. And now I can start with the questions that I have planned for you. So can you please talk about the function that the Tax Assessor Collector's Office plays in Bexar County?
Well, let me start by telling you some of the things that we do not do. Okay. We do not set property values. I can't tell you how many times we're asked, hey, about our property values. Property values are set by the Bexar Appraisal District. That is a completely separate organization from our tax office. The other thing we do not do is we do not set property tax rates. That's done by the different taxing entities, such as the school district, city, and what have you. What we do is collect property taxes for all the taxing jurisdictions here in Bexar County. We run about over $4 billion of money through our office. Wow. We have about 700,000 parcels in Bexar County alone. Additionally, we do over 2 million vehicle registrations and title transfers here in Bexar County per year.
Wow, so that's a lot of work. Your office is always busy. And you mentioned property statements. I know those are going out this month. Maybe some people have already received them. Can you talk to us more about that?
Well, and you're right. They're all going out as we're speaking. I'm sure a lot of people have already received them. What's important to note is that Bexar County offers the most payment plans of any county in the state of Texas. 254 counties, and nobody has more payment options than we do. Now, all citizens are entitled to two different payment options. Of course, you can pay it all at once, and those are due by January 31st. The other thing that citizens have is a half payment option. They can pay half November 30th, and that's a very important date that you have to be in this program by November 30th, and you get to pay the second half by June 30th. We have over 75,000 people that are involved in this program, and they're enrolled in this program, and it's our most popular plan. The other two options that citizens have, and this is for residential and is for citizens that are 65 or over, disabled or disabled veterans, and they're entitled to a quarter payment option, which allows them to pay their property taxes in 4 payments. Oh, wow. But what they're also entitled to is a 10-month payment plan that is unique to Bexar County. Nobody else in the state of Texas has this, so it's something we're very, very proud of. This allows you to pay your property taxes in 10 equal payments beginning in October, and you get to pay them through July. So as we've moved along, this plan has really increased in popularity, and we've received a national award for it, and we've also received a state award. So,
congratulations.
Yeah, well, thank you very much for that. So we encourage our senior citizens, disabled veterans to take advantage of this plan.
Yeah, those are great options. Well, thank you so much for all the information that you have provided for us today. I'm sure that's going to be very helpful to our Bexar County residents. And before we say goodbye, is there anything else that you would like to add?
Well, what I'd like to tell people here in Bexar County is that we're here to help. My staff will tell you that if you have trouble paying your property taxes, we have never, ever, ever once turned away a citizen or a business that is sincere about wanting to keep their home or wanting to keep their business. Yes, we're going to require a down payment. Yes, we're going to require a contract, but we will work with you. And I think it's so important that citizens realize that we want to help them. That's why we're here. And so we encourage them to come and see us.
Well, thank you so much. I really appreciate everything that you've brought with you today here to share with our Bexar County residents. And if anybody has any more questions, any more information you'd like to learn about their office, please visit their website. It's bexar.org/tax. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.